Oh my gosh, this is a mistake. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my Amazon haul with you guys. So I bought a few items from Amazon website that I think are useful and interesting. Let's go ahead and unbox it, and I will also do a little review. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this one first. Cutter. See what I forgot what I got, to be honest, and these boxes have been sitting here for like a week now, and I totally forgot what I got. Like, I think I remember like a couple of things because, you know, and I'm expecting them to come here sooner, but the other stuff I can't remember. Oh, this one I totally forgot about this one, but I know I need this. And so I saw this water bottle, and it has like time and reminders, and the color is like rose gold. It says here, get started, don't give up, almost there, you need to refill, and there's a time. And this is like a sticky cup, guys. Let's open it up and see. I think this is like a sippy cup. So I won't be forgetting drinking my water. Ayan. Come on. So there's a box inside the box. And I think I know what this is. It looks fragile. So, okay, meron siyang foam inside. I don't want to like, break it or something. So, let's try it out. Ayan siya, medyo sealed talaga siya. Really, it's well packed. And I hope everything inside is intact. Oh my gosh! So, there is a warranty terms. I'll read this later. So, it's a porcelain product. Dishwasher safe, not safe in microwave. Okay, that is so good to know. And this is a piece of tea. This is a teacup set, actually, guys. And here is a tea set with 2 teacups, and it comes with teapot also. So I'm gonna set it up so you guys can see it. This is so adorable and cute. Look at this. I'll put this tea light candle under the teapot to keep my tea warm. I think this is a unique piece. I think this is the infuser. This is where you put the tea and pour the hot water. My only concern is it safe to hold the teapot while the candle is still burning, because it's going to be hot and I just don't want to get my hands burned. So yeah, that's maybe I'll be alright. I don't know, I'll find it out later. So let's unbox this bigger box. This is the biggest box, and I also think I know what this is, and I have been waiting for this one. Like, are you guys ready for this? Oh gosh, I think this is like my most favorite of all the things I bought. Sana gumana siya, guys. And if this didn't work, I'll be like really sad. So this is a popcorn maker. Ayan siya. And let's open this. Wait, hold on. Oh my gosh, this is a mistake. Oh, I'm so sad. This is not what I paid. I might have to return this, guys. I picked the pink popcorn. But anyway, it looks cool. I might keep it as well because this is very nostalgic. Has a wheel. I don't know if I'll move. I'll show you guys what I originally picked. Well, I'm disappointed right now, but if this will work fine and maybe John will like this, I might keep this. I don't know, guys. What do you think? Should I keep it or return it? It looks better than the other one, I think. I think this is better than the other one. I just like the color. I just like the pink color. So this is what I originally picked, and I'm not sure why they sent me a different one. It's literally like, it looks like those popcorn machines that you see in the movie theater. So I don't know, kind of look the same. I think I like this one better. Okay, it says do not turn the wheels. So the wheels are just for decoration, guys. So I cannot really push the cart or anything. Oh my gosh, guys, this is so cool. This away. Right here. And I'm gonna turn this on. There is another one that unfortunately out of the package because my daughter tried to open the package and you know, she always gets excited when she see when we receive a delivery from Amazon. She's like, I got a package. So this one is a golf set. It's just a random stuff that I found from Amazon website. So this one is, I find it really cool, guys. It is a golf set of pen. There you go. And how cool is that? Like, I don't know what you call this. I think I have only tried golf one time in my life. Oh, it comes with 2 golf balls too. I don't know if you guys can see. 2 golf balls, a flag, a grass. This is so cute. Alright, I'm gonna try to play this. I have this, I don't know what do you call this one. Okay, I have to shoot this in that hole with the flag. Okay, let's see. I don't know if I'm doing it right, just, you know, I just want to play. Okay, let's try this. 1, 2. Oh my god. It got stuck. I did it too strong. I have to do it slowly. Okay. Alright, let's try it again. I did it! I shoot it! Oh my gosh! I did it, guys. I did. Did you see that? I have like 2 other more of whatever you call it. And then I have another golf ball right there. So let's see if this actually works as a pen. I grab some scratch paper right there. Oh, it doesn't focus. So that is the pen at the bottom. So here we have blue, black, and red. That is so awesome. There's a lining around this pen, and that's indicate the color of the pen. Like it says here already, blue, black, and red. That is amazing. That's it for today, friends. I hope you enjoy my unboxing video, and if you like this kind of video, please give it a thumbs up and might as well subscribe to my channel. It's free to subscribe, guys. So thank you so much, everyone, and see you guys on my next video.
Bye bye.